Want your stock dividends to automatically buy more shares and compound your growth? Enrolling in Fidelity's Dividend Reinvestment Plan, DRIP, does just that. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Go to your Account Features page. Find Dividends and Capital Gains, and click Update. You'll see a list of all your holdings. For each stock or fund, you can choose to reinvest dividends and capital gains back into that security or deposit to core account as cash. Select Reinvest for the positions you want to grow automatically. The change takes effect before the next dividend payment. My crucial pro tip? DRIP your core holdings, not your trading positions. Automatically reinvest dividends for long-term, buy and hold stocks and ETFs in your retirement accounts. For short-term trading positions or income stocks where you want the cash flow, leave it off. Be strategic. Harness the power of automatic compounding without lifting a finger. Do you reinvest all dividends, or do you take some as cash flow? For more guides on investment automation, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.